Copying an HILAND Koomando rolling code, remote control to a Multikoo Slide 433. The operation is valid for all models. The copying and storing operation is the same for all 433 MHz rolling code remote controls of this series. Step 1. Reset the Multikoo Slide 433 remote control. Simultaneously press button 1 and 2 on the Multikoo Slide until the LED flashes 3 times. While holding down button 1, press button 2 3 times. When the LED flashes release the buttons of the Multikoo Slide, the remote control is reset. Step 2. Copy an HILAND Koomando rolling code, remote control. Place the 2 remote controls on the back. Press and hold down the button on the original remote control, and then press the button on the Multikoo Slide 433. Keep both buttons pressed until the LED of the new remote control lights up steadily. Now the Multikoo Slide emits a HILAND code on each key and is ready to be memorized. Step 3A. Remote memorization of the duplicated Multikoo Slide without intervening on the control unit. Caution: do not use this procedure if there are several neighboring automations controlled by the same remote control. Store it directly on the receiver as explained below. Approach the control unit. On the working HILAND remote control, press buttons 1 and 2 together, then release and immediately press button 2. This step must be carried out quickly. Within 6 seconds, press the button to be memorized twice on the Multikoo Slide remote control. Your new Multikoo Slide is stored and ready to use. Step 3B. Manual memorization of the duplicate Multikoo Slide on a HILAND receiver. The position of the memory button changes depending on the model of control unit. In some, TM5811, TM5886, it is inside the housing, on the electronic board. Press the memorization button on the receiver or control unit. Press the button you want to store twice in sequence. The red LED lights up. The Multikoo Slide 433 has been stored and is ready to operate. Repeat the operation for each control unit to be memorized.